Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about how we can create a dynamic and reusable model with Vue.js slots. And now I'm prepared something for this video. And what we have, it's a model component uh, and model parent. It's a view. When we gonna call our model, okay. And if you open a browser, we can see like this. Yes, it's only HTML in the CSS of our model. Okay, and now we try to do it dynamic. Okay, and the first thing what we want to do, we want to put someone dynamic title in our model because we can use this component in different pages and other component, and we can use it uh, more and more time, whatever we want. Okay, and what we need to do, it's doing. We need to do props field in our model component. Okay, props title type string and maybe sorry title. Okay, and now we add it on our template title. Okay, and the next thing what we need to do is add these props on our model parent, on our parent component, and we can write like this title model title, maybe like this. Okay, and now we can see our dynamic title, which we can create with the props. And if we stay to call our model in another component or another page, we can use different title and whatever we want. Okay, cool. And the next thing what we want to do, it's open and close our model in the parent component, and we need to add a listener click uh, because we want to click with a close. Yeah, and we added on a model backdrop. It's area around our model because we want to close our model when we click on this empty area without around the model, and we want to close it on a close icon. Okay, click close, and we need to add a method field. Okay, close, and we need to call emit. We need to call emit with close. Okay, cool. And now we need to do put our emit on our model parent component. and we can write like this. Close, close, close. Okay. We create a method fields. Close. Okay. We have method now parent component, and we need to create data fields with Boolean type with a field when we can add if we can if we want to hide or show our model, we can toggle it field in a true or false. Okay, and we write like this. We write the if is show model and create a field in the data. Sorry, data. This one will show, and you write in. Oh, sorry, I forget something. I forget to return our data. Okay, cool. And first thing we state in the false position. False. No, false. Okay, and now we don't can see our model. Cool. Okay. Cool. And the next thing we want to call our model, and we need to trigger for it. We need a button. We need a button. In the click call model. Before close, we want to call it. We need to call it. Yes. And call model, and we write this is show model equal true. Okay. Sorry. We can write call model. Yeah, cool. Okay, try it. Hoo-hoo. Cool. We can see our model. Yeah, it's cool. And now we can call it, but we don't able to close it. And let's do it. Um, okay. By the way, we did it, and the last thing what we need to do is create. Right. This like this is show model equal false. Okay. Okay. And now we try it. Yeah. Cool. We done it. Okay. And what is the target of this video? It's to show you how we can use a model with dynamic information, dynamic block, and for it we can use a slot, a view slot, and I can show you how we can use it. Okay, in our model we have a two section which I prepare before class. It's a section model body and model footer. Yes, because in the model often we have a body and there may be some buttons in the footer of this model. Okay, and we can write like this. We use a slot. And okay, slot, it's like a spot place, like an empty place in our children component. if it's a yes, it's an empty place with a special name, and this special name we will use in our parent component for adding our block, our information, and etc. Okay, and we need to give the name equal body. Okay, and in the footer we use a slot too. Name equal footer. Yeah, okay, cool. And the next thing what we need to do, it's use our slot in our parent component, and we can do like this. Okay, we need to git. Okay, okay, and now we in our parent component, we when we use a model, and we can create a slot. We can create a template with a special slot name. Okay, can I show you? Template. And now in our model component, we use a name body. Yes, it's a name of this empty spot, name body. And now we can use it in this model component. Okay, and we can write like this body. Now name our slot. Um, okay, so yes, like this. And we can create two template, body and a footer. Template, to template, second template, footer. And now we can use it for our information and our HTML and whatever we want. Okay, this we write in model body. And this, maybe we want to add a button for our model. Button. And it's like console and send. Okay, cool. Maybe we do it like this. Okay, beautiful. Okay, try it. Yeah, and now we can see our information. Yes, our blocks when we add in a parent component. Yes, it's console, send, model body. Yes, at this reuseful place in our component, and I can show you like we can use it in maybe other page. We can create another model parent dot view. Okay, we add route. Um, yes. Um, Usually I do it like this. Done, done, done. Okay. Um, yeah. Okay. All right. We try it, and we add our URL. Okay. We created like our model parent, and we're doing it like this. Components model. Okay, and it's two different parent. Yes, two different parent component. and we can create another information, but it's need to be a slot with the name like in our model, and we create another model body and okay, another. Okay, cool. And what we have now? Yes, we have another information in this page, and we have this starting information in this page. Yes, it's all about dynamic, okay, and it's how we can use it component with dynamic. It's slot for it. It's really useful feature for it. And if you want to doing something dynamic or something, maybe you want doing something place in your code the dynamic and reuseful, we can use a slot.